So this is the oldest looking, the newest 2020 iPad 8th generation from Apple. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna unbox the 2020 iPad 8th generation, and yeah, this is the budget oriented iPad and it's priced at $329 for the base model, and there are only two available storage options. One is the 32 gigabytes and one is the 128 gigabytes. And the 32 gigabytes model is priced at $329. The 128 is priced at $429, which is a $100 more for 128 gigabytes. And yeah, at this point, if you just watch the YouTube videos or you just use the internet or not something very special, not playing big games, and yeah, this is very powerful iPad, which I will talk about. It's like the 32 gigabytes is a little bit slow storage, and especially with the iPad OS 14 and with the upcoming updates, and more storage will be occupied by the system and the apps as well. And I think many people will be buying the 128 gigabytes. So I have this 32 gigabytes model with Wi-Fi, but yeah, this becomes not a budget oriented iPad, especially when you are buying a 128 gigabytes version. You have to pay $100 more, but again, for less than $500 you are getting a very powerful machine and a very capable machine. I think it's gonna destroy the budget laptops and the other tablets available at this price point. It has the Apple A12 Bionic chip with the neural engine, so it's a very powerful machine. So this is the packaging, and you have seen like a lot of videos about this iPad. So I got this for about $329 or a bit more depending on the taxes. Okay, let's have a look what's in the box. And paperwork, the Apple paperwork on the first, designed by Apple in California, and what we get in this box. So the iPad paperwork, and I'm looking for the Apple stickers. I just love these Apple stickers, they are so premium. And yeah, we got these Apple stickers, and then we get a USB-C to Lightning cable, the charging cable. It's a USB-C to Lightning cable, and this cable is a very high quality, I think, and I hope this will not stop working after 6 or 8 months. So then we get the power adapter. This is the 20-watt power adapter. This iPad supports fast charging. It's not the fastest or super fast, and I don't know if you can see the writing on this adapter, the 20-watt written on this thing. This is the oldest looking, newest, the latest iPad, but overall it feels very premium in the hand. So it's very premium looking. The design is very clean and very old. The bezels are big. So let's peel off this plastic, and yeah, listen to the sound of this. And so let's have a look at the iPad. So we have the speaker grills and the USB Lightning port on the bottom, headphone jack, a power button on upside, volume keys on the top right side. So we have a single 8 megapixels camera, which is pretty poor, but yeah, again, at this price point you just get a very powerful chip and not the camera. And on the left side we have these 3 connecting points for the keyboard. Of course, the iPad OS has both the mouse and the keyboard support. So let's boot up this thing and have a look at the screen and the screen quality. The screen quality is very excellent. The brightness is peak 500 nits, but it lacks the True Tone and the white color option like on the iPad Air 4 and the iPad Air 3 and the iPad Pro. So the screen is non-laminated, and it's like a gap between the panel and the touch. But yeah, I think it's not like a deal breaker for this price. When you open this thing, you just feel that this thing is super fast. This is speedy and it's powerful. The animations are very smooth, and yeah, you may not feel the difference between the previous generation and the iPad Air 3 and with this, but yeah, definitely it's far better than the previous generation, the 7th generation, because it has the A12 Bionic chip, which is still very powerful chipset like for, and the iPad OS has very much improved as well. So it's powerful and fast, and everything is buttery smooth. And yeah, again, the bezels are very big, and these top and bottom bezels are like huge. And the bottom one has the touch ID, the fingerprint sensor, and the home button on this thing. But still, it's a very good value for the money. So this is the iPad Air generation from the Apple, the 2020 iPad Air generation. 3 gigabytes of RAM and Apple A12 Bionic chip. A very high resolution screen, very premium looking at the back, not on the front. You can pretty much do everything with this iPad, like from video editing, playing games, and media consumption, and everything is pretty smooth. There is no problem, and I will be doing a complete review of this budget friendly powerful machine. And so that's pretty much it about the unboxing of the iPad 8th generation. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please be sure to subscribe and hit that like. I will see you on the next one.